Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Today's sim is story time. In today's lesson, we will learn some new words, watch the video, Tutu Moo and the giant do the tasks. Read and remember new words. Porridge, porridge, vodka. Angry, angry, ашулы. Bowl, bowl, тостаған. Taste, taste, дәмін тату, дәмін көру. Giant, giant, алып. Boys and girls, now let's watch the video, the first part.
Tutu Moo and the Giant, a story from Indonesia.
Can I have some porridge, Mum? I'm hungry.
No, Tutu Moo. I make porridge for the giant every morning. He gets angry if there is no porridge.
Yum, yum.
The next morning.
Look after the porridge. Give it to the giant when he comes.
Okay. I'm so hungry. Let me taste the porridge. I want a little bit more. Yum.
We've watched part 1. Now let's check yourself. Choose the correct word. A. Chocolate. B. Porridge. C. Biscuit. Can I have some porridge? Mom, that is right. Next, the variants are A. Giant. B. Girl. C. Grandmother. I make porridge for the giant. The correct answer is A. The next, A. Taste. B. Cook. C. Gave. Let me taste the porridge. The correct answer is A. You are right. Now, let's watch the second part of the video.
Where's my porridge?
Here it is.
This bowl is not full. Tutu Moo, where are you? Come here. I'm hungry. Oh! Oh!
Now we can eat porridge every day.
Yes, the giant is far away. Mmm. Mmm.
Read the sentences and underline the correct word. Then match. 1. I'm so thirsty or hungry. Let me taste the porridge. Which word is correct? Hungry. Please tell me what picture is it? A, B, C, or D? That is picture D. 2. Now we can eat porridge or rice every day. Porridge. And it is the picture A. That is right. 3. This cup or bowl is not full. Which is the correct word? Bowl. You are right. And it is a picture B. Very good. Last sentence. Give it to the gorilla or giant when he comes. Gorilla or giant? The correct word is giant. Very good. That is picture C. Great. Read the story and complete. I'll give you some time. If you have done, let's check. 1. I make porridge for the giant every morning. 2. I'm so hungry. 3. Let me taste the porridge. 4. This bowl is not full. 5. The giant is far away. Now, boys and girls, put the sentences in correct order. Take your time, then we will check. Let's check your answers. The first sentence is A. Can I have some porridge, Mom? 2 is C. No, Tutu Moo. I make porridge for the giant. 3. The correct answer is F. Let's read the sentence. Look after the porridge. Give it to the giant when he comes. The fourth sentence is E. I am so hungry. Let me taste the porridge. 5. The correct answer is D. I want a little bit more. 6 is B. Where is my porridge? 7 is G. It is not full. And the last sentence is H. Now we can eat porridge every day. Today we have learned some new words. Watch the video Tutu Moo and the Giant done the tasks. Boys and girls, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day today.